Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the tutorial on how to export your Odoo application's data. I will explain you the process step by step on how to export it with your custom field selection. So let's get started. As this application is downloaded from the Odoo web store, this is the application as you can see. We will understand two main things over here, that is a main table and a subtable. So as you have opened it, you can see a main table already selected over here. As I remove it, you will see the subtables that I have created. So I will explain you what is the difference between both of them. So let's open one purchase order. Let's go to my purchase and open a purchase order. So as you see, the purchase order has a lot of different types of fields that are called purchase orders, vendor names, vendor references, confirmation date, product details, and a lot of things as you can see over here. So main table refers to the main fields of the purchase order. So let me go to a purchase order detail. Here are the position fields or the main fields which have order references, vendor, company, confirmation date, taxes, total and order lines. So when you see order line is a field type which has one to many fields. So as you see, this is the order lines and order lines has a lot of different fields under that. So that is our sub table. Main table is this one which has all the main fields, and sub tables is the field where there are different types of details under one field, which is over here. So whenever I want to export any one-to-many field, I will have to mention the subtable over here. So subtable is what we create. So currently I've created a subtable with all the fields that I want to export. And in exporting, I want product, quantity, unit price, and subtotal. So I will take product, quantity, unit price, and the subtotal that is over here. So I will export these four fields from my subtable, and main table will have all the other fields that I have mentioned there. So these are the main table fields and here is the subtable field. So this is the basic difference between both of them. So now let's go ahead. I'm removing the section button so I can explain you the things very properly. So we will go there step by step. First is the action name. We will mention one action name, whichever you want to mention over here. I have mentioned purchase order details. I have selected this table as it is the main table for me. Now next is applies to. So I want to apply this action to which of the following modules in my database. I will select it from here. I want to apply it to my purchase order as I want to export it. So I've selected purchase order. Next is the download file name. So whenever I want to download it, what will be my file name, which we have customized over here. So my file name will be export underscore 123 and I'm saving it. So this is the basic export details that I have mentioned and explained you. Any one to many fields that will be added in the field section will have to compulsorily have the subtable for the same. So if I'm adding one more one to many field, and if I don't add any subtable and try to save it, it might not be able to save it because it will give an error. So every one to many field will have a subtable to be mentioned compulsorily. So let's delete it for now and save it again. Now next is the add action button. So add action button is nothing but the action button to export your data. So as we add the action button, I will show you where it will be seen. So let's refresh it. It will be seen in the action setting and purchase order details as you can see in the form view. And if you go back, if you select any of the orders and go to action button, here in the tree view, you will also be able to see purchase order details. So this is the use of this button, and if you remove it and we refresh it, it will be removed from both the places as well. So this is removed from here. So let's edit again because I want to export the data and show you. So now let's selected actions and go to purchase order details so that my order will be exported. When exported, currently we have CSV format compulsorily selected, and let's download it. So it is downloaded under the name underscore 123 export underscore 123 which we mentioned, and this is my data that is exported. So data will be in the format where first will be the main table and next will be the sub table. So each of the purchase order will be exported in the same format in the CSV file as you can see over here. So this is the explanation on how to export it. So let me know if you face any issues. My team will be there to help you out. So as we go back, This is the application, and here we have all the other details. Currently, we have created it for purchase order and sales order only. But going ahead, if you want to create for all of the modules that you have in your Odoo database, you can do that as well. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us support@vrajatechnologies.com. Thank you.